All right, go ahead and bring it in, Mama.
Can you see my face?
Yeah, we can see you just fine.
I can't see anything. What is...
We got a puppy.
For real?
Yeah, for the family, we got us a puppy.
You're so cute.
It's a little girl. Pretty crazy, huh? It's a puppy. I know. We'll figure it out. We're going to make it work. Your mom and I have been talking about it for a long time, and we're going to make it work. Yep.
You're the favorite puppy now. Can we call her Snowflake?
Well, you'll have to decide.
What? We got two? Is there a third?
No, there's just two.
How do I pick up a puppy? Like this? Hi. Is this for Nasuga?
This is what?
Is this for Nasuga?
Yep, they're both little girls. All right, I'm going to shut this off now.